Guys, so you see, when you want to do things, you make plans, right? You plan ahead. You even do contingency planning. You plan to fail. No, you plan so that when you fail, you have a backup plan. Abi? And you make some mistakes along the way, even if your plan is alright and all of that. So today, I'm going to let you guys know the story of how this table, this our second table, gave us stress. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Royce, and at this point you already know the drill. You know it's behind the camera again. Before we start this video, I need to have breakfast. Tea. Let's take tea. Let's sip on some hot tea. Let's go. So back to what I was saying before. First mistake was the fact that we went to the lumber yard, bought the wood, and let it sit. I won't necessarily call it a mistake because ideally the wood should be dry, but when we got the wood from the lumber yard, it wasn't completely dry. So it stayed for like some few weeks, and all you needed to do was just attach one rope from one end of the wood to the other part of it, and it turned to a bow. So we decided, okay, since it's a very long piece of wood, the bow wouldn't be that noticeable when we cut the wood into shorter pieces, because when we had wood. Okay, let me take you guys back. Hold on. We got the design for this table from a YouTuber, DIY creators. We didn't just get it, we bought the design actually, we paid for it. So it came with the plans and everything. We made some changes to the plans, like he went with plywood legs with veneer to cover it and all of that. I don't know where we will find veneer, so decided not to stress, so just when we had wood and we stain it and all of that. So we had to plane it down and all of that to reduce the bowing a little bit. Then time came to join the wood together. The initial plan was to just put them together like a butt joint, use glue, wood glue to hold it together, then send some screws in like to make it stronger. First we made a jig so that everything will be 90 degrees, just one miniature jig to set everything together to be perfect 90 degrees. Okay, now let's join the wood together. We put the glue, filing on, everything was going smoothing and all of that. Oh yeah, now let's put screw. We attempted to put the screw was breaking the wood. It's a hard wood now, so it was tearing it. Okay, let's pre-drill the hole before putting the wood in. Before putting the screw in. We pre-drilled the hole in the wood, tried to put the screw, same result. So we sat back, we thought, okay, what else can we do? You know, there's this saying that goes, there is not only one road that leads to the market. On a Kankolo Water, or however they say it, I've told you, it's not one road that leads to the market. So we took some steps back to see which other paths can we follow to get to this our market, to get our end result. Okay, we decided, okay, let's try using the pocket hole jig. We have a pocket hole jig. Why will it just be sitting and wasting? We tried it, that worked fine. One problem solved. So guys, it's night time. As you can see, 7:38, and we have to get to work because NEPA just bring lights. You understand? So we move. when we got to painting, we initially had a plan to use a specific type of paint, but we couldn't find that, so we took some time, like, okay, let's see if it will be available later on, let's see whether it will be available sometime in the future. It wasn't available. At the end of the day, we had to look for something else that worked for us, and it was fine. That was one of the reasons why this video took a little bit of time, but at the end of the day, everything worked out fine. Sometimes you meet some hiccups on the way. What do? You find your way around them, and that's what we did. Basically, all we did throughout this build was to just find another way to get things done and get to the final result.
Alright guys, that's it for this video. More videos are coming, more builds are coming, so subscribe so that you get to watch them, you enjoy them with us. And obviously, this is Nino. Sometimes I'm in front of the camera too. That thing that is on your mind, drop it in the comment section. Let's know what you're thinking. Tell us about the video, tell us how you feel about it. And also don't forget to drop a like on the video because I know you enjoyed it. We'll see you guys in the next video. Peace, stay happy.
What?